Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to place all your questions in the question bank. So when you input or copy all of your question, from the test paper into the Blackboard quiz or test settings, it really takes time. So when you put your question in the question bank, you may save time and keep track of them. So I'm going to show you, if you copy this from your question paper and then you place it here, you can see that you need to manage all of these multiple choice answer into each of these field down here. Okay, so that you have a few of this, then it's okay, but if you have 20 or more than 10 questions, it really takes time for you to handle all this into the test setting in the Blackboard. So there's a shortcut for that. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We're going to use the Blackboard test question generator. Okay, so first you need to go here. Okay, edoc.oc.edu Blackboard quiz generator. So if you're not memorize this, cannot memorize this address, okay, you can go to Google. Okay, just type here. Okay, generator. There you can find it here. Okay, Blackboard test question generator, ed.oc.edu. So you just click here, then you can see Blackboard test generator display here. Okay, right. So I'm going back to this Blackboard test generator. Okay, first, what is the sample question should be inside this Blackboard test generator? Okay, so first you need to place a name for your test. Let's say you have the code of your subject, so you can put DDWC, okay, 2453, something like that. Okay, then test 1. Okay, so what is the sample for this multiple choice question? Actually, you can choose others, but I'm going to focus on multiple choice for today. So you click OK here. Okay, then you can see, okay, the question format should be like this. Okay, so this number 1 dot and with followed by the questions, and then the multiple choice here. Okay, A, B, C, and the answer should have star here. Okay, and then if you see here, okay, from this, okay, from the question paper, okay, let's say I paste it here. Okay, so it's quite, okay, different from this sample. Okay, so you need to do lots of correction here. Originally you are using this kind of format A dot, B dot, and C dot, right? So what you need to do, you go back to your paper and you amend it. Okay, so here, okay, A, B, C, D, okay, then choose, okay, for this format, okay, this one, A, B, C, number alignment, left, okay, right? So this one also, you need to change it. Okay, so this one, right? Okay, so this format, so you need to change to this, right? So once you finish this one, okay, the rest is okay. Okay, that's mean you can copy everything inside here. Okay, but that's one problem. Okay, if you can see, your answer is bold, okay, format. So you need to change to match with this format. Okay, from the quiz generator format. So there's a star here, so that's mean this is the answer. So how you going to do that? So you need to just paste star, or you cannot paste star here because it's already set, okay, under the numbering format. So it's okay. Okay, click here. then copy everything. Okay, see, I place it here. Okay, paste. Okay, for your information, this, okay, so this generator you cannot scroll. There's no scroll function here. So you need to use your keyboard to go up, all the way up. Okay, to question number 1 to check. So it's actually the format is not matched with the quiz generator. If you want to see correct or not, you can click on the button generate test question. Okay, you click here. Okay, see, yeah, there's a notification showed here that test generation failed. So a lot of red colors here. So you know each of the question is wrong. So what you need to do is, okay, you need to match with the quiz generator just now. Okay, so there's no answer. Okay, if you can see the answer here is, okay, you already have the answer here, B, data. So you just place the star here next to B. Okay, so this is the answer. So next, okay, make sure there's a space here, okay, beside the procedure. So what I will do here is I delete and then give a space here. Then I know is it correct already. So here at the end of the question there must be no space. Okay, no space. So if there's a space here like this, okay, you highlight here, there's a space. So what you need to do is delete the space. Okay, so I check here, there's no space behind the each of the multiple choice. Okay, make sure there's no space. Okay, go to number 2. Okay, same as question number 1. What I do is I delete this, okay, and then I give a space. Put a space here between transform and data. Okay, so check behind here, there's no space, and then behind, okay, so this line, number 2, doesn't have any, there's no 2 line for this choice number choice B. So it's okay, but make sure there's no space behind here. Okay, and then here also, okay, C, no space, D also no space. Okay, right, so place the answer for this. Okay, so okay, for this question, okay, number 3, question number 3. Okay, if you see this kind of format, you need to place it in one line. Okay, it cannot be in several line. Okay, so you need to, yes, put it in one line, but later when you place it inside the blackboard, you can edit the question back. Okay, you can make it in several line afterwards. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, 2 and then choice this one. Okay, 3, then 4. Okay, and then put a space here. Okay, dot and dot. Right. So make sure there's no space at the end of this line. Okay, right. So again, the same thing goes here. Okay, so answer for this. Okay, and then answer for this one. Right. Right. So okay. Again, like just now, I don't know whether behind here got any space or not. So what I did is I just delete and make it in one line, and then I, okay, click space. Okay, then make sure there's no space at the end of the question. Right, so delete and then I this same as others question. Okay, again. Okay, there's no line behind each of these 1, 2, 3, 4, and here. Okay, so if you settle all these 12 questions, okay, so I click on generate test question. So we're going to see, yeah, the test is successful. That means you are okay with this question. You can download it. So there you go. So green color, that means your question is okay. So now, okay, there are 2 buttons here. Okay, you need to click one of it. Okay, so if you click download question pools, okay, okay, yeah, so you have it in zip format. Okay, if you click on download test question, it will be in text format. Right. So what we need for Blackboard is only zip. Okay, zip file. So once you have the zip file here, okay, that means you are okay to go. Go to content here. Okay, right. So now you're in Blackboard. Go to your subject and select manage banks, right? Select manage banks and you're ready to upload your zip file. Okay, go to plus icon here. Okay, and then select the zip file, right? Open, and then you wait for the zip file to upload. Right, it takes time, so you need to wait. So you also will get the notification in your email regarding your upload process. Okay, now you can see the question bank already imported and it is successful. Okay. Okay, now you can see the test is uploaded. Okay, successfully. You can see there are 12 questions successfully placed in the Blackboard. So you cancel the banks, okay, question banks, and then you can set up your questions. Okay, click on the test question and then click plus here, and then you can, okay, go to add question pool, right? There you can find the question bank here. Okay, this one, right? Okay, so you can place your marks, the points here for each question, how many marks you want to place for each of these questions, and then you can choose which question you want to place for this test. Okay, so you also can randomly use each of the choices. Okay, you can see all the questions here. Okay, let's see, I want one question only. Okay, and then this add question button activate down here. Okay, right. So if you have this type of question, okay, the one that I showed you, it is that you cannot place it in several lines. Okay, so you can edit the question later. Okay, so you click add questions. Okay, so 10 points for each, then save. Okay, and you can view the question and you can edit the question here. Okay, edit or regrade. Okay, so when you regrade, you just place the marks. Okay, for this one. Okay, and then you can edit here. Okay, because you want to make it in 7, 9. Okay, right. Okay, now you can have this kind of question. Okay, okay, right, save it, there you go. Okay, So you have choose a prime numbers, then you have multiple choice listed down here. Okay, there you go. So you can reuse this question again and again because why? You already have it in the question banks, right? So you cancel this one. Okay, we go back to Blackboard test question generator. Okay, so the important things about this multiple choice question is that you cannot have space at the end of this question. Okay, same like this one. See, right? So for the multiple choice also, you cannot have space behind it. Okay, that is rule number 2. Okay, there must be no space here. Okay, must have space between the question number and the questions, right? So there's one and dot. Okay, if you didn't have dot here, okay, let's say I generate the question. Okay, see the test generation fail. Okay, test generation fail. Why? Because the number for each question must have. Okay, dot here and then space. Okay, so when you generate test question, the most easiest way is you can delete this one, put in one line, and then you place a space there. Okay, same things here, delete and place space there. There is quite easy and safe. Okay, so you can see here, you can check, just place your cursor here, your mouse cursor, and then click here, okay, to see if there's any field. Okay, that means your question is in a right format. Okay, now, okay, so we finish this one. Okay, so if you want to create a new test question, you just click button clear test question. Okay, so click test 2. Okay. Let's say you have a lot of let's say you have multiple types of questions. Okay, so I want to use first multiple choice question. Okay, so you can generate sample here. Just click button OK. Then you have the first one. Okay, so make sure the uh, the distance between first question and second question, okay, in one space here. Okay, then put your cursor here and then go to multiple choice. Okay, multiple answer. So click button okay, then you have the sample here. Okay, so next, if you want to see what is what type what type of format for true and false, just click true and false here and then click button OK. There you go. Okay, if the answer is false, you just type false here. Okay, if true, okay, put it true. Okay, so where's the answer? The answer is here. Okay, for multiple choice, okay, the answer in a star format. Okay, for this one, it is not the answer because there's no star here. Okay, now you go for the next question. Okay, essay question. Then click OK. So the essay question will be like this. You must have dot here. Okay, you must have like so same format. Okay, you must have space between question number and the questions statement. Okay, right. So next, okay, go down here, new paragraph. Okay, click on the fill in the blank, then click OK. Then you can see, okay, this is the blank type of question. Okay, number, okay, then a space and the question statement. Okay, so for this blank, okay, if you have the blank at the end, then the student can either answer this type of question or this type of question. So A and B is considered is either one. Okay, so you can have two answer for this blank format question. Okay, now we go Okay, matching question. Then I click OK. Okay, so this is the match. Okay, match. You must place match here. Okay, and then followed by a space. Okay, and then question number, space again, and then question statement. Okay, then you need to match. So chapter 13, the match is here. Okay, chapter 16, so all the answer is here. This is all the answer for match question, right? So if you have all this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have all 6 types of format types of question. Okay, then you can generate test question. Okay, test generation is successful. You can see all here green. Then you can download question book. Okay, it is in version of zip file. Okay, go to here, assessment. You can have another set of question bank, but again you need to place the zip file in the question bank. Okay, so click here plus sign. Okay, and then we have zip number 2, open. Okay, then you wait for the zip file to upload. Okay, so if you're seeing this question bank is already successfully upload. Okay, then click here, then okay, right. So I go back to manage bank, then I'll see. Okay, yeah, my test number 2 zip file is already here. Okay, so if I go back to test, okay, paper test here just now. Okay, click here, then I go, then I add question pool. Okay, right, choose the one that uses now. Okay, choose this one, the test 2 that I just upload the zip file just now. So we select all these questions. Okay, all these 6 types of questions. Okay, like if you want to place the points for each of these, okay, please see 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. Okay, and then add question. Okay, so 2 points each. Right, so save. Then you can view the questions here. Right, yeah, so this is the multiple choice question just now. Okay, so this is the AC question, this is the matching, and this is the multiple choice, this is the true and false type of question, and this is the blank. Okay, so you have 2 types of choices, the answers. Okay, so for the uh, regrade. Okay, you want to place scoring. Okay, you can choose here down here scoring option. Okay, if there's no automatic feedback, just remove. Okay, and then save the question, right? So then go here, question bank. Okay, so if you want to regrade, okay, you want to change the points here, you can. Okay, number of question to display, so change it to 2. Okay, 2 points each, then click save. There you go. Okay, 2 points each for 6 of these 6 questions. So we finish for this question bank today. So I hope all of you can do this. Okay, and you can try and error. Just go to Blackboard test question generator here, right? So this is from Oklahoma Free State University. Okay, so I guess we stop here. Thank you very much.